All right, so excuse me, here we are at the login, and we should see the AMP Lifestyle and Luxury logo up in the corner. This is what you'll see on the initial login here. Um, Normally, you would be on the Pages menu right here, and you would take a look, and you would look on this side here. Right here is going to be blogs. It's right above the search this page box. So just click the word blogs, and that's how we're going to make a new blog. And the way we're going to do that, very simply, is come up to the top. There's a button that says New Blog. Click that. You're going to see a blank white line right there. Click this down arrow here, okay? And you're going to have a box next to it. And you're going to have three choices: active, hold, and archive. Archive deletes it. Hold makes sure it's not going to get actively posted to the internet. And active means it's going to be seen on the internet. Okay. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that our system doesn't have save buttons. It works very similar to how the Microsoft system works when you're saving when you're saving a file to the Microsoft Outlook 365 location. It automatically saves for you. So that's what you have here as well. So we're going to hit active when we want it to go live, but in this case we want to start with hold. And what I've done is I've just created a Chat GPT article, and what it says here is basically, is this a good time, or talking about a good time to sell your home. Now, in this particular case, what we can do is pop it into a word processor, or we can put it into a text editor, but we're going to paste it directly in. What you're going to see, in some cases, you're going to see some extra characters that affect the way that it looks. But in this case, it came out pretty clean. So I'm going to, whoops, sorry about that. I'm going to cut this right here, make this the title, okay? And right here on the headline, I'm going to post that. So why now is a great time to sell your home, okay? And I could actively edit this home from here. I don't like the AI, the way it says conclusion. I think that's kind of a dead giveaway, but I would also edit this and make it a little more personal. But right here we have, formatting issues. So what we can do, if we need to, we can actually go into the styles or into the source here and edit what's going on here. So we can get rid of this H3 tag. And when we do that, that should keep it from being so bold, okay? You don't have to do that, but it's going to clean that up a little bit, okay? Now, once you've got it posted, okay, then you're going to create an extra carriage return. Okay, that's how it would normally be. Create an extra carriage return. You're going to notice we have a blinking cursor right here. So now we want to add our image. So on its own line, okay, you need to make sure it has its own line right here. And the way that we're going to do that is from the image database, okay? Right here where it says image button, okay? Whoops, I'm sorry. It's this image button. I apologize. That's why this says this. So if you look here, you've got all these buttons right here. You go to this one right here, okay? Click that, okay? And we're going to add a new image. We're going to choose that file. We could drag and drop it to this space right here, but we're going to choose that. And that's in my images folder right here. And I should have one that says Realtor Blog. I've already sized that correctly, okay? And then once I hit this X, don't hit close, hit X right here, okay? That'll close this uploader piece, okay? Now that right there, and then just hit the plus right there, okay? All right, if you're so inclined to double click in and add alt tags or anything else like that, you could do that right there. So you would double click it and add the alt text if that's what you want to do. All right, now we've got our article. It's in here. We can edit it, add links or anything else we need. We're going to go up to the top, okay? It's already saved, so we don't have to worry about that. We go up to the top, and if we went to the AMP site, go to the resources, hit our information on our stories, okay? All right, and what you'll notice, it is not live at this point, okay? But I am going to go to active, okay, and that should take it to live. You don't have to do anything with the publish date, but if you did want to do something with the publish date, make it publish on a different day, you could do that. Okay, but we're going to have it published today. We're going to do that. Okay, and right there, why why now is a great time to sell your home. Okay, so hit read more. There's your article and all your information. So that's about it on how to post a blog. If you have any questions, email or call me. I'll be happy to answer any of them and help you out. Thanks. Bye.